I've joined RBS International April last year, fully under COVID. It's been interesting to say the least. And I head up the data analytics function for the organisation. And of January, I've also taken on additional responsibilities around our cloud centre of expertise and also responsible for customer insights. So the next 10 odd minutes, I'll just take you through the journey that we've had so far. So very first, we put people at the centre of a strategy and a vision for data analytics across the organisation. And what I'm doing is I'm taking a holistic approach. So I'm not just focusing on our hub for data analytics from a technical perspective. I'm taking a holistic approach, for every employee across the organisation. And, I am using those words, inspiring and being informed, but also being using data for good reasons as well, but and making that part of what we do, on a daily basis. With this perspective, we do put customers at the heart of what we do, and we treat data as a valuable asset. We are still on an early journey, but the focus there is on how we put data literacy and we embed that into everyday practices. And then also we encourage people to be bold and to think about the art of the possible and not think about the use of data analytics just for governance perspectives. And then also we definitely apply, a learn by doing and, applying the agile mindset. But underpinning all this, the key thing that, I'm helping to steer across the organisation is how we make that a second language, and demystify this from a technical point of view, but make that part of what we do, as part of our everyday practices. So that's the sort of the vision. So since joining, what I've done, with my colleagues as well, it's not just me, but with my colleagues, the core thing is how do we boost literacy? How do we boost that data literacy? And that's been one of the key focal points that I've had. There's enough technology around. We have enough technology specialists, but to really capitalize on what we can do, for our customers and our communities, and also what we do internally, how do we boost that literacy across? And what I'm going to cover now are three core areas of the strategy. I published our 2021 strategy December last year, to set the direction. And boosting data literacy is one of our 5 ambitions as part of the strategy. And I'm just going to take you through each one of these and give some examples of what we've been doing. And then I'm going to leave enough time at the end just to take any questions should anyone have some. So let me just talk about the data literacy and the baseline around that. What I did back in October, November last year is we actually did a baseline across the organisation. And that baseline focused on three core areas. One was around reading, writing, and comprehension.